Hello guys, welcome to AI Automate India. This is Servus. Today we'll be building a really interesting assistant using Vapi and Make.com. Our assistant will be fetching the weather details of a particular city. So let's start the video without wasting any time. So this is the dashboard of the Vapi. Go to create assistant, click on customer support, create the assistant. After creating the assistant for the customer support, you get the assistant named Eva. Change it to weather details because our bot fetches the weather of a particular city. Then prompt will be provided in the description. You can just copy paste it. And coming to the settings over here, provider will be OpenAI. Model will select Coro cluster because it works really well. Temperature will leave it at 0 0.7 and max token also at 250. Now go to transcriber. Provider would be the DeepGram. Model will choose Nova 2. Go to voice. Instead of Cartesia, we'll choose 11 Labs. Sarah works voice. Then coming to the model over here, we'll choose this 11 Flash V2. Functions will integrate in some time. Advanced and analysis is not required for this assistant. It's a simple one. So let's publish it. Let's change the first message a bit over here. Our assistant name is not Eva. So we'll just leave it as hello, how may I assist you today? Publish it again. And now we have to create the function. So go to make.com. After creating a new scenario, this is how it looks like. Go to webhooks, go to custom webhook, then click on add. Let's name it as weather details. Click on save, and then we get a URL. Just copy it, goes to Vapi again, and tools. We need to create a new function. Go to make, paste the URL, save it, go to next. Property we need that is argument as city name. Let us describe it. The city that is provided by the caller, for which we have to fetch the weather details. Next, click on next, and here we have to mention the function name. Make sure that the function name is same as that one in the prompt. Then here, describe the function. This function provides the weather details of the city. This much works. The function provides the weather details of the city. Okay. Click on next. This section will leave it. No need to implement. Then click on create. A function gets created. Now we have to integrate with our assistant. To do that, go to function section, and our bot is weather details. Go to function section. In the select tools, select the function. Go to model. Here we have to change the function name so that Vapi can call the function. So make sure it's same as the one that is described in the tools section. Click on publish again. Okay, the function is integrated. Now let's continue the workflow. To get the details from a particular API, we need to make a request, that is a get request. So we need a HTTP module. URL I already have it here. That is from the OpenWeather website. You can also get it from the website. It's a simple process. And then header we need a API key, which you will get from the profile section of that OpenWeather website. I will copy the API key and paste it over here. And query we require city name, uh, the city whose weather details have to be fetched. So that will get dynamically from the webhook. We'll implement in some time. The another thing that is required is I want the temperature to be in degrees Celsius. That's why units, I would mention it as metric as value. Then body type would be the JSON. Okay. And I would pass the response because I want it in a structured manner, not in a JSON response, so that I can use it further. So click on save. We need to run it once so that I can dynamically provide the city name over here. So click on save button, save anyway, and let's run it once. I can miss something over here. Value. We'll provide it as London for now as a hard coded string. Save it. Save anyway, run it once. Okay. Now go to Vapi. Let's talk with the assistant.
Hello, how may I assist you today?
Fetch the weather details.
Great. How can I help you? Are you looking for weather details for a specific city or country? If so, please provide the name of the city or country. Sure, I can
Yes,
help with that. Could
I
you please?
was fetching the weather details of London.
One moment. It seems.
Okay, I guess we have received the arguments. Go to two calls, function arguments, and yeah, that is what is required. Now we'll dynamically give the city name that comes from the arguments specified by the caller. Save it. And now we need a transform to JSON module, and here we'll be converting some of the information that are required. For now, I just require the weather details. That's the only parameter. You can add the several other parameters as well. This part I will be converting to JSON so that I can JSON string, which can be passed to webhook response so that the Vapi can understand it. Go to main section. Where's the main? Here's the main section, and here's the temperature in degrees Celsius because I had mentioned the units as metrics. That's why I received it as degrees Celsius. That is 5.52 degrees Celsius. And here I will mention it. Okay, that's it. Save it. Now we just need a webhook response. We need a template. Go to tools calls. See in the advanced concept in tool calls. Here is the template. Just copy it, paste it. It requires a tool call ID that comes from the webhook over here. This is the ID. The result would be just the JSON string, which consists of the temperature value, and that will be given to Vapi. So that's it. Click on save button. Click on run once. Let's see whether Vapi is able to fetch the details or not.
Hello, how may I assist you today?
I was looking to fetch the weather details.
Sure, I can help with that. Could you please provide me with the name of the city or country for which you would like to get the weather details?
I was trying to fetch the weather details of London.
This'll just take a sec. Hold on a sec. It seems like I'm unable to retrieve the weather details for London at the moment. Would you like me to try again or assist you with something else?
Let's see what's the issue. Go to integration over here. I'll check with the API key again. So I've pasted the API key again. Let's see if it's run successful or not. Go to Vapi dashboard again and talk with the system.
Hello, how may I assist you today?
Uh, I was looking to fetch the weather details.
Sure, I can help with that. Could you please provide the name of the city or country for which you would like the weather details?
London.
Great. Hold on a sec. The current temperature in London is 5.52 deg C. If you need any more information, feel free to ask.
Thank you. So yeah, guys, that's the project. That's a simple project where you build a simple assistant. If you are a beginner, this is a great way to start it. So yeah, this is the response we got. That is 5.52 degrees Celsius, and that was passed on to the Vapi, and the Vapi responds to the caller. I hope you guys really like this small project, and yeah, see you in the next one. Thank you.